Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I would normally film. It is currently almost midnight. Actually, it is 11:56 p.m. and Seth is in bed and I should be getting in bed, but lately I've been staying up really late doing like schoolwork and stuff, which is what I should do tonight because there's only like a few days left in the semester. But my closet behind me is super out of control, so I'm going to be pulling an all-nighter tonight and decluttering and cleaning my closet. So let's get started. I literally just spent like 10 minutes or more deleting footage off this memory card so that I can film basically all night. So now we're ready to get started and I'm kind of tired already. So these two bins right here, one is gonna be get rid of and one is gonna be like storage stuff. Have my ring light set up and ready to tackle this mess. So here is the before. It's super bad. It's honestly gotten so out of hand. There's stuff literally everywhere. One reason for a lot of this mess right here is this second pole fell that had like a bunch of clothes on there, so all that fell, and then like stuff is just literally piled everywhere. There's still a Christmas tree in here. There's stuff literally everywhere, plus a ton of dirty laundry here, but there's nothing I can do about that right now. I'm not going to wash clothes all night, but I am going to declutter all of this. So yeah, here's a before.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, but still I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys.
I'm tired, but doing pretty well so far. It is 12:32.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time.
So update, doing pretty well. This is the get rid of box. It is 12:43 right now. I have some piles going on. This is like comfy pants, leggings that I wear, pants that I don't really wear but I don't really want to get rid of yet. Yeah, this is like all my leggings that I usually wear. These are getting kind of fuzzy. So yeah, I've went through a bunch of this stuff. Doing pretty good. So my goal is to have all of my clothes that I wear hung up on this one bar up here, like all fit up there good and not like almost falling. I don't want to have to hang the second bar back up even though I liked it, but it fell. So yeah, I do want to show you guys this. Also, these clothes right here are Seth's and Baylee's clothes that don't go in here but have been like washed. This is all of the clothes that I'm getting rid of. So I think I'm doing pretty good, honestly, because I've filled this whole box up. It's a pretty good size tote too. I'm hoping to let everything like fit up there, and then like pajamas, like comfier clothes, leggings, stuff like that over there, and then hopefully clear these shelves off up here and put like stuff I don't really wear that much but I want to get rid of up there. Like I just found my maternity jeans that I had, and like I don't want to get rid of them. They're so cute. Also, in these two leggings here are the leggings that I wore when I was pregnant. I really like those too, so I think I'm going to turn those into like comfy pants, because I don't really like the style of them anymore. I just don't have anything that goes with them, but I want to keep them. So these are like comfy pants and stuff, pants I don't wear, and then some comfy shirts here to like sleep in and stuff. Am I even making any progress? Like, what the heck? I feel like I'm just making like a bigger mess.
Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me.
I got this part over here cleaned up pretty good. Like, this top is like my frequently worn leggings and pants, and then this is like comfy pants, pajamas, comfy shirts. That's like a scarf, and here's like all my socks. I need to go through and find the matches. And then down here is like pants I don't really wear that often but are still kind of comfy, and I would wear them maybe. And then in this one is stuff I don't really wear, and then a couple bags and my curling iron. And then I still have to go through all of this stuff over here, all of this stuff over here, and then like take all this stuff somewhere. I don't know, but I think it's coming along pretty good. Also folded some towels over here that I washed. Let's not talk about all the laundry that I already have though that I need to wash. Yeah, one step at a time. This lighting is cute, but it's like on the ceiling, so we have to go back to like the old selfie days when you like done this. But anyways, it is currently 1:23, and I'm gonna start. Actually, I have to change my camera battery first, and then gonna start on this stuff. Also, just got these leggings in today from Fabletics, if you guys can see that. There we go. So yeah, gonna put these up. I actually have my other pair that I got on. They're super comfortable. I'll put those in there for when I'm ready to wear those.
Touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
Oh my god. Literally so mad right now. I just sat on this piece of glass and ripped a hole in the leggings I just got today. Literally so mad.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right.
So here is the get rid of tote. This is all Seth and Baylee stuff. I need to put those up there. Still need to get all that stuff out. And this is all I have left. Just have to go through this and then probably put those two suitcases over there in the corner. I'm thinking about putting like my desk in here because I'm going to get a new desk for nursing school. So I'm thinking about putting it in here and letting this be like my little office closet thing. But yeah, here is how it's looking so far. It's looking so much better, you guys. It's kind of crazy, honestly. And everything's fitting so far. So far so good. It is 2:29 a.m. I'm burning up. There we go. 2:29 a.m. I'm so tired.
Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. at you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them.
So here's the final result of the clothes I'm getting rid of. If you guys can see how massive that is. This is like storage stuff and stuff I need to go through and get rid of. And here is the finished product. Oh my god. I've literally worked so hard on this literally all night. So yeah, here's what it looks like over here. I just put my pants I don't really wear up there. And then I'm probably going to put like winter stuff up here as I stop wearing it for the summer. And I have 2 pairs of heels right there. Probably going to move some more shoes in here. And then here is the closet side. I'm literally so dead. Oh my gosh, let's see what time it is. It's literally 3:08 a.m. I've been at this for over 3 hours. I think the result is pretty good. All this over here is clean. I have my 2 luggage stuff over there. And then over here is like more like comfortable clothes, pajamas and like leggings, stuff like that. This is like winter hats and stuff like that. I'm literally so tired, so tired. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what I should do next. I'm so tired, you guys. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty too. Also guys, let me know some ideas for like if I should put my desk here or not. Yeah, let me know down in the comments. It's just so pretty now. Oh my gosh.
Bye.